Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin ang ating series on sample entrance exams, no? Or entrance exam sample questions, no? So, of course, hindi naman talaga ito yung mga lumalabas but hopefully yung pag-discuss natin dito sa pagsagot ng mga tanong ay makatulong sa inyo sa pag-review ninyo sa mga basic concepts ng mathematics, no? So, and hopefully, no, may mga similar questions na lumabas sa mga exams ninyo, no? Now, here we have a question. Meron daw rectangular box na given yung kanyang dimensions. So, we have 10 by 10 by 5. So, ang tinatanong is the greatest possible distance between 2 points. A straight line distance. So, 10, pwede natin i-assume na ito yung 10, yung dalawa, no? Kasi mukha naman siya square, tapos ito ay 5. And siguro some of you, maybe before I discuss, pwede nyo i-pause muna yung video and then try nyo pag-isipan at try nyo sagutin. So, I'll give you 5 seconds para ma-pause nyo yung video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so malamang ang iba sa inyo ang sagot ay yung diagonal, no? Diagonal ng square. Ang pinakamahaba, no? Kasi sa square naman, yung diagonal naman ang pinakamahabang segment, di ba? So, medyo mahaba to pero meron pang isang mas mahabang segment, no? Yung from here, yung nasa baba, sa corner sa baba, at saka yung opposite corner pero nasa itaas. No? So, parang from here, kung gagawa ka na yung diagonal, ang mas mahaba pa is yung nandito. And kung mapapansin nyo, itong diagonal na to, no, makaka-form tayo ng right triangle. No? So, itong diagonal na to, tapos yung diagonal na to. No? Para meron tayong right triangle in 3 dimensions, no? 3-dimensional space. No? The drawing is not accurate because supposed to be, kung hindi siya kita, meron tayong parang ganyan. No? Parang dashed lines. No? Anyway, sana ma-visualize nyo. Now, notice that this is a right triangle. Bakit? Kasi yung diagonal dito, no? Tapos meron tayong segment dito. That's 90 degrees, di ba? Okay, so hayaan ko kayong pag-isipan nyo bakit 90 degrees yan. Part. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong right triangle and kung makuha natin yung dimensions ng itong diagonal na to. Kasi meron na tayong height eh. Kung makuha natin yung dimension ng diagonal na to, then we can get the dimension of the hypotenuse. Ito yung hypotenuse natin, yung pinakamahabang segment. Okay, so paano natin kukunin itong length ng diagonal na to? So remember, this is 10, yung nasa baba, and this is also 10. So it's a right triangle, no? And by Pythagorean theorem, this is a square, no? Rectangular box. So, by Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So, gawin natin a ito, tsaka b, tapos yung diagonal ay c. So, meaning, c squared is equal to 10 squared plus 10 squared, which means that c squared equals 100, di ba? Plus 100. Which means that c squared is equal to 200 and c is equal to 100 times 2, di ba? Square root of 100 times 2. Kasi yung we have to factor such that makuha natin yung perfect square palabas. No? So c will become, what's the square root of 100? That's 10, di ba? At tapos may iwan yung square root of 2 sa baba. So meaning this segment is 10 square root of pero hindi yan ang hinahanap natin. Hindi yung letter D, no? Hinahanap natin. Ang hinahanap natin ay yung nasa yung hypotenuse, no? Ito hinahanap natin, itong part na to. So, meron tayong, again, right triangle. Yung side niya ay 10 square root of 2 tsaka 5. Tapos, yung hinahanap natin ay yung hypotenuse. So, if we let the hypotenuse be, ano gusto nyo yung letter? Gusto yung letter H kasi hypotenuse, no? H. So, H squared, no? is equal to, ano yung nandito natin kanina? C squared, di ba? C squared plus, ito, yung 5 squared. Yung height niya. Kita nyo yung triangle, itong part na to, this is the right triangle. So, we have two legs, yung shorter legs, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So, h squared is equal to, what is c squared? Our c is 10 squared of 2, di ba? Squared plus 5 squared, which is 25, di ba? What is 10 squared of 2 squared? This is 10 squared is 100, no? Times squared of 2 squared, and then plus 25. 10 squared is 100. What is squared of 2 squared? That's 2, di ba? And then plus 25. So 100 times 2 plus 25 is 200. So h squared is equal to 225. Para makuha natin yung h is square root of 225. And h is equal to, ano square root of 225? That's 15. Okay, so ano yung 15? Ang 15 ay yung h. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo. Ano natutunan natin dito? Una, natutunan natin yung, na-review natin yung Pythagorean theorem, no? Pangalawa ay na-review din natin yung radicals, no? So, ang square root of 2 squared, for example, bakit siya naging 2? Kasi square root of 2 is actually 2 to the 1/2, di ba? Pag ini-squared mo siya, di ba? 2 to the 1/2 squared, no? By exponents, ano nga bang ginagawa natin sa exponents? Minumultiply, di ba? Pag a raised to m, di ba? And then parenthesis raised to n, a raised to the mn, di ba? Minumultiply natin to. A raised to the mn. And 2 and 1/2, 2 and 1/2, 2 raised to the 1/2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to the 2 over 2, which is equal to 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2. Kaya nandito yung square root of 2 quantity squared natin ay equal to 2. No? So, yan lang yung mga concepts na pwedeng na-review natin. Itong law of exponent na to, itong radicals, no? And Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa maiksing video na to. I'll see you in the next tutorial. By the way, bago ako mag-end, gusto ko yung invite na mag-subscribe, no, sa ating YouTube channel, no, youtube.com/user/ziplineph. Our Facebook page at facebook.com/ziplineph and our website at zipline.com. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.